Miss Leela is widowed recently. She sobs in front of her father, while Mr. Chakrabarti, her father, turns out to be a werewolf, Ichchadhari Bhediya. She is killed by her own father. Later on, Detective Aryan Joshi and his buddy Bunty arrive at the crime scene. Inspector Kabir tells them that the CCTV footage of her house is partially corrupted and the footage cannot be seen very clearly. Kabir taunts Aryan to not infiltrate the police investigation. Aryan tells Inspector Kabir that CID officials have officially sent him onto this mission. Inspector Kabir stares at them angrily. Detective Aryan and Bunty investigate the body and go away in search for clues. Later in the afternoon, Detective Aryan suspects that her own father could be the murderer. He had talked to her father's neighbors and they told him, Mr. Hemant Chakrabarti lives all alone by himself and disappears from his house every full moon night. Bunty agrees and they decide to sneak in and around Mr. Chakrabarti's house and catch him red-handed. In the night, the moon appears brightly in the sky. Detective Aryan and Bunty hide themselves near Mr. Chakrabarti's garage and see him come out of his house. Bunty questions Aryan and his decision to sneak on the old man, Mr. Chakrabarti, who has just walked out of his house for a night stroll. Aryan reassures him and tells him that he could be a real werewolf, and he knows how to tackle him. Bunty isn't much impressed by this but agrees to help. Mr. Chakrabarti grins at the sky and slowly transforms into a real werewolf. Aryan and Bunty come out of their hiding spot and notice the werewolf. The werewolf feels their presence and finds them behind him. The werewolf leaps onto them to attack. Aryan and Bunty dodge it. The moon slowly hides behind the clouds and Mr. Chakrabarti steadily and painfully morphs back to his original human form. Aryan comes near Mr. Chakrabarti and orders him to turn around as he handcuffs him. Bunty walks towards Aryan. Meanwhile, Mr. Chakrabarti confesses that his family has a curse and he can't hide it. He says sorry to Aryan about his daughter's death. He didn't want to kill his little angel, his only child. Aryan arrests Mr. Chakrabarti. Detective Aryan Joshi arrives at a top-tier musician's house who is recently murdered. He shakes hand with Inspector Kabir and then lies down to investigate the dead body. The female officer stares at him blankly. Later on, Kabir tells Aryan that locals and neighbors report that they saw the dead zombies attack the house late at night and kill pop musician Mithun. Inspector Kabir mocks and jokes about zombie. Aryan tells Kabir he has fought a real werewolf, so everything's possible to happen. Aryan reassures Kabir and tells them he will search for clues. He walks away from the crime scene as the officers stare blankly at him. Later in Bunty's house, Aryan and his buddy discuss about the zombie case. Aryan tells Bunty that he has found a newspaper article which tells about an accident, a couple whose car crashed in front of Professor Bhavesh Bhatkal's secret lab. The police investigated the scene but the couple's dead body were missing. The police asked and interrogated Mr. Bhatkal but he was declared innocent, so maybe this mad scientist gave lives to this couple's dead bodies. Bunty was quite confused but agreed to track the mad scientist's location. In the night, they finally reached the ruins where scientist Bhatkal was experimenting in. Bhatkal and the zombie couple were resting for a while. For a break, Aryan and Bunty arrived at the lab and Professor Bhatkal stood up from his floating chair. Bhatkal and Aryan fought each other, while Bunty fought Zombie Man and defeated him successfully. Then Aryan blew a huge bunch of punches at Bhatkal's face and he landed onto the floor, unconsciously. Lady Zombie saw her husband die and Professor being defeated. She pulled out her gun and attacked them. Aryan and Bunty dodged her attack. Aryan and Lady Zombie fought each other. Finally, Lady Zombie was handcuffed and arrested by Aryan. Later on, Bhatkal stood up and was handcuffed by Aryan too. Bunty and Aryan took those two criminals to the police station. Case closed. A goon threatens a couple. He fires at them. The couple dodge it. They morph into their original forms. Aliens. The aliens couple pull out their guns. The female alien shoots at the goon. The goon falls and eventually dies. The alien couple walk towards the dead body and examine it. Then, they transform back into their human forms. The female alien walks ahead. The male alien follows her. In the afternoon, Officer Rudra, brother of Inspector Kabir, waits for Aryan and Bunty near the temple. Aryan and Bunty walk towards Rudra. Rudra tells Aryan about a new case. A goon was attacked by an alien couple. Aryan agrees to help. Bunty is stunned. Aryan nods and walks ahead of them. Bunty follows Aryan. In the evening, Aryan and Bunty find out the whereabouts of the alien couple. Aryan and Bunty emerge from the bus stop and fight the alien couple. Aryan kills male alien, while Bunty is defeated by the alien lady. Bunty falls down. Aryan and alien lady battle. Aryan defeats the alien lady within seconds. Bunty stands up and hugs Aryan. They stare at the dead bodies. Police Inspector Kabir guards the prison cell in the nighttime. He is little ill. Meanwhile, Professor Bhatkal opens the prison cell's main gate and walks out of it. Kabir notices him and pulls out his wooden stick to attack. But Bhatkal fires a bullet at him. Kabir dies right away. Kabir's body burns near the fireplace. Bhatkal walks towards the parking lot and steals a car. Off he goes in the car. Meanwhile, Aryan comes out of the shower in his robes and sees Bunty waiting for him. He walks towards Bunty and they both get seated down on their chairs. Aryan tells Bunty about Inspector Kabir Mehta's death and that Professor Bhatkal has escaped. He killed Kabir. Aryan tells Bunty that he knows the new location of Bhatkal's lab. They stand up and Bunty agrees. It is revealed Bhatkal has a boss. His boss is Jagant Mehta, a business tycoon, while Bunty and Aryan arrive at the secret lab and investigate. Aryan talks to CID officials about Bhatkal. They enter. But Jagannath stabs Bhatkal with a knife. Aryan and Bunty are speechless. Jagannath walks towards Aryan and pulls out his gun.